Hi friends, how are you? Hope you will be fine. I'm Khanjes. First of all, I request to all my beloved friends, please like and subscribe this unique channel. It is totally free of cost for you, but highly encouraging for me. Thank you. Today, we visit very old town in Austria, Graz. It is most popular for amazing palaces, modern architectural squares and churches. Let's see it for further information. Graz is the capital city of the southern Austrian province of Styria. Graz is known as a college and university city with 4 colleges and 4 universities. Combined, the city is home to more than 60,000 students. Here I want to share a big news that one devoted to bodybuilder, actor and politician Arnold Schwarzenegger is native of Graz. And a children museum, other museums focus on locks and keys, toys, railways, trams, aviation and criminology. Each autumn Graz hosts a contemporary art festival. The city was designated the European Cultural Capital for 2003. In this video, you can watch very amazing and medieval old town square, unique and antique clock towers, narrow and wide classic streets, beautiful shopping huts, magnificent cityscapes, baroque and historical architectural buildings, church, irrigation, water, canals, and so many. Hope you will enjoy this video and get more knowledge. For further and extra information, please see the description box. Thank you so much. Lovely views of residence of the local person of Graz. Beautiful look of the canals for irrigation. Enjoy the video and watch till end. Thank you so much.